Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. I am also fine here. Today I am going to share my kitchen deep cleaning routine, which I used to do once in 2 weeks. So before moving to my videos, if you are a new visitor, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification. This is the main place which we are going to clean today, the inner part and outer part of the cabinets. You can see the stain over here, the oil stain. So today let's clean all this cabinet by using a simple DIY cleaner. Right now this is the condition of my kitchen after having breakfast. So let's begin by cleaning all these dishes and let's put them in the right place. Now it's clean. First let's soak the chimney because chimney is the main thing where there is more stain. So remove the chimney. You can see all the oil stain over here. I am using Jif to remove all the stain from the chimney. So first apply Jif all over this chimney. You can use the sponge to reach all the place. And let's keep this for 20 to 25 minutes so that at this time the grease will be softened and it is easy to clean. Now let's make a DIY cleaner. Here I am taking 300 ml of water, normal water. For that adding 100 ml of white vinegar. 100 ml of white vinegar. Now take a mixing bowl, add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Now add the water little by little. If you add all in one time, it will flow outside. So add little by little and mix it well. For that add 2 teaspoons of liquid soap. Now mix it well. Now let's transfer this into a spraying bottle. Now by using this cleaner, let's clean all the inner part and outer part of the cabinets. Spray this cleaner and keep it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, wipe it with a wet cloth or you can also use microfiber cloth. For the chimney, I am again using this Jif cleaner and rubbing with the sponge. This Jif cleaner is really very good to remove the grease very soon. Now after rubbing, wipe it with a wet cloth or with a microfiber cloth. Now after 25 minutes, all the grease were softened. Let's use the brush and clean it. You can also use the steel scrubber to clean this. You can also use the toothbrush to remove the stain from the corners, inside the pores and all. Now it's completely clean. Let's keep it to dry. Afterwards we will fix it. Now let's clean the stove. Remove all the burners. Pull it, and here also I am using the Jif only. Now you can use the steel scrubber to remove all the stains from the stove. For this glass, I am using this DIY cleaner and scrubbing from this sponge. If it's possible to remove this glass, then better to remove this and clean it. After scrubbing, wipe it with a wet cloth. Now this is the place we always used to forget to clean. So pull the cooking range and clean it by using this all-purpose DIY cleaner. If the stain is very hard, then use Jif cleaner to this place also. Now it's perfectly clean. Now place back the cooking range and all the burners on the same place. I always used to cover the glass with foil paper, so there will be no stain on the glass. It's very easy to clean also. Fixing the chimney back. Now wiping the fridge and water dispenser too. Now let's clean the door also by using this same DIY cleaner. Now let's end it by brooming and mopping too. In this way, I used to clean my kitchen once in 2 weeks. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, then like, share and do subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon with more such videos. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.